welcome to Yoga with Rohit. My dear friends, in this coronavirus pandemic, a lot of people are in their homes, in their house. I hope everybody is safe, fit, and healthy. As a lot of people are at their homes, but still some of them are working and they're working from their home. I know it has been very difficult in this coronavirus pandemic season to work from home because the environment is totally different in office and at home. Because of the responsibilities that they have on their shoulders, they are sitting for a longer period of time on their desks. So, in this video, I'm going to bring 6 exercises for the people, especially those who are working from home. If they do these 6 exercises every half an hour or 1 hour in between their job, I assure you that they will never face shoulder problems, they will never face back problems, thigh problems, and also they will not face any obesity problems. These are simple 6 exercises which, if you follow every half an hour or 1 hour, you may stay fit in your desk job journey. And these 6 exercises can not only be followed by the people who are working from home, but also can be followed by the people who are not working from home. Everybody should stay fit and fine and healthy. So, without any further ado, let's get started with the exercise. Now, let's get started with the first exercise. Now, in this exercise, what you have to do is you have to sit straight with your back straight. Don't bend, keep your neck straight. Now, what you have to do while inhaling, you have to twist your neck towards the left side like this. Then again bring it in the center while exhaling. Again while inhaling, twist it to the right side. Again bring it to the center while exhaling. Let's count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this exercise, if you want, you can do it for 5 times, 6 times, or 1 minute also. Now let's turn on to the second exercise. It's a variation of the neck exercise only. So what you have to do is, while inhaling you have to take your neck backwards, and while exhaling you have to bring it into the center. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2 down, 1 inhale back, 2 down, 1 inhale back, 2 take it down, and in the center. Now the same exercise you have to do it clockwise and anti-clockwise round your neck. Let's start. Inhale upwards, exhale downwards. Inhale upwards, exhale downwards. Inhale upwards, exhale downwards. Inhale upwards and exhale downwards. Same with anti-clockwise. Inhale upwards, exhale downwards. Inhale upwards, exhale downwards. Inhale upwards, exhale downwards. Inhale upwards. Now let's do the second exercise. Touch your fingers or your palms on the shoulders like this. Now what you have to do is, while inhaling, round the shoulders clockwise. Inhale, and while exhaling, put it down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Now anti-clockwise. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Now, especially for the back pain, what you have to do is get off of your chair, stand in Tadasana pose. Just beside your chair also you can stand. And what you have to do is, while inhaling, take both the hands parallel to your shoulders, upwards. Inhale upwards. And while exhaling, you just have to form 90-degree angle while bending forward. Remember, your lower back should be straight. It should not bend, okay? Only the ones who have severe back problems can bend their knees a little bit like this and bend forward. But the ones who are fit, they should keep their lower body straight and just form a 90-degree angles. Now in this pose you can stand for at least 4 to 5 seconds, then again come back in the Tadasana pose. This repetitions you can do for 5, 6, 7 times. For 5 times if you do, it will give you good massage to your back. Now the next exercise is sit on the chair. Keep a 90-degree angle while you sit. Both the legs should be parallel to each other. Sitting on the chair, just lift your leg and twist it clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the left leg, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So my dear friends, I hope you will like this video and these 6 exercises that I have told you. These small exercises will give you big benefits going forward in your life. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel because there are a lot of things, informative things about health coming up in these videos. So subscribe the channel and share it to as many people as you can, because right now health is the most important part of everybody's life. So this video will help you to stay fit and others also to stay fit. So stay safe, stay fit, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.